Mesende, one jam na men come fancy. Was under midi bani ye, no man fancy level, no oko high too much. Yeri ye Angwamu with Koobi powder, but ye use Angwamu, yeri use to shea butter. In you, or ferment na ye ji was sicker. Oh, more bontan, out the team the fur. Cash, and major do call the name. Yen chassis. Into Shea Butter no other silver yimu. Mejana mawana na kama. Afe onani wia, mezi jene kakra, mezi bogum, na afe mejana mawacho. Be 30 seconds to 45 seconds. And at this point, me ye jene nefrim. Na afe mezi jene, another jene mezi ogum. Mame patch any day. I will take out all the onions and add another fresh onions to it. Into shea butter no make sure the scent in him. Nemum se scent wumpa. Mama che each mo first one, na mo second one. Or you very good. Into me introduce me Koobi powder. Menua, send share Koobi powder video ya. Me show. Jai video. Nekeshe. Iwia na ababeshe. What's on the scent no our kitchen hand. And to make sure move 30 seconds, 45 seconds be. And to make them subogum, na fei, man kama. May taste for salt or Sunday, Koobi or contain the salt in yim dada mubwa in you. And to mutton and chin kakra, na fe my buado, mamma will hul. O hula, ma horror, ma mo kama, na medzeo gum in you. Into yam fancy nelly video. Ne hu de memfanse no nko ya moshow fam bonicham ata oye tu no na meleye me pacha wonde amemetemfanto hinyo metemfante kakra enti mabuado at this point na afi ma show minkosia enchechew nkosia na shuma yisu shea butter hinyo ti amono me aluminium foil bakatado na mabuado na yakwachi yenkosia no Nkosie ni macho ne koma. Yeah, eat healthy. Inimunta what's the say here? Anwa gallon ye about 1,000 cedis. 1,000 okun aponchon anamobwa. Onye izo miniano. It's never easy. Like the economy is too hard. The hardship recently it's what can them put? Nti ehu menkosia no so me use shea butter wa aben me the beto nchen afa me pede me saute vegetables kakra bi ono so me the shea butter kakra the bogum na me paprika na me onions inyo me the nchen kakra bi opotso na afa machu mu be 30 seconds bi no inyo na afa yenkohwe ye mo no oh my goodness Masede aroma no kwotsin ya dzimwa enyo oye do yi into mone kanzo nonson asenchin kakra otwe mu wo ho atonya hwe medimate entini yewie yen serve ye ho etwi me kokakra na me vegetables na me saute nkusie chibomu hey me da wanna see that was a video. I hope you do try your hands on. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Chew.